Hi guys, it's me Jasmine, and this is my 11th video. And today I'm going to be doing a little smoothie slime. So it's gonna be little, not big like what other people do, because I don't have that much slime. So these slimes that I'm going to be doing, they're not really my favorite slimes because they're from Dollar Tree. So yeah, and I have better slimes. So let's get started and do it. But first I'm going to show you all the slimes that I have. I have ice cream slime, 4th of July slime, popcorn slime, snow cone slime, and bad breath slime. Which the bad breath slime I don't really like. Especially the popcorn. All of them are scented. But the popcorn is very strong. So let's get started and do it. Okay guys, so I'm going to do the bad breath slime first. Ooh, look at the lid. It smells gross. Ooh, so it's not really, it doesn't look like a bad slime, but it's really not stretchy at all. Uh-oh. And it's breakable. Oh, there's a lot of foam beads in it too. Look at my hand. Well, I'm gonna do a close-up. It's normally pink, and yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put it there because this is just not good slime, especially the popcorn. Alrighty. Okay, now we're gonna do the popcorn slime. Alrighty, popcorn slime. We have to get ready for this. It's gonna smell yucky. I could already smell it. Oh, too strong. Okay, so the popcorn slime is exactly the same as the bad breath slime, but it's not the same color. And it's not the same texture because this one is more like, this one is soft, like butter slime. It doesn't look like it's soft like butter slime, but it feels like it's butter slime. Okay, this is just not good. Look at my hands. Oh, I'm just gonna take all of it out. Well, yeah, those are the 2 slimes that are in. Okay, let me pick the other one. Okay, we're gonna do ice cream slime. Ice cream sundae. Red ice cream slime. It feels like soap, but it smells delicious. And it's soft too. It doesn't really let me stretch because it's just wettish. This is not a good slime. But I promise the other 2 are more gooder. So this looks like it has some mulch in it, which that's just not good. I don't know if it has mulch, but it looks like it has it. Look. Oh, no, it has foam. Look at that. Ow. That looks good. Look at my hands. You see those little white soft things in my hands? That's like, look at my nail. Maybe you can see it there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's not, it doesn't feel okay. Okay, I'm just gonna put this in. My hands are all the popcorn slime might help. Okay, now we're going to do the snow cone slime. I can't open it because the ice cream slime. There. Ooh, that just wanted to come out. Okay, so this one has some like some beads in it. Looks like ice beads. Maybe you can see it. See? It's stretchy too. I might mix some dough over here because I want it to be more softer. Okay. I'm going to put this in. Okay. So this is how it looks like so far. Don't know if you guys could see it. The snow cone one looks like a galaxy one next to the popcorn. Okay, now we're gonna do 4th of July slime. That was easy to open. And this is my favorite because it has glitter. And you can see it right away, see? And it has some jewels on it, see? Green jewels. And this is very stretchy. This is very hard to get away. I just really like it. I don't want to, I can't. It's so nice. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in. But first, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. So nice. Okay, the glitter makes it even more nicer. Okay. I really like this, but it's time to put it in the slime bin. No, my favorite slime. I'm just gonna let it plop down. No, I have to hold it. Don't, come on. Oh, no. Oh, no, I want it. So I have normal slimes to put in, but I might put more. Let me see if I have more. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, guys, so I don't have more, but look at it. But I do have play-doh, which I'm going to put in, and I don't know if they will work though. But I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna come right back. Okay, back. Alrighty. I'm going to put it in. Which I don't care about this big chunk of Play-Doh. I mean, it's just brown. I'm not gonna put the brown one in, actually. I don't know if it'll look good. I mean, those are nice colors. I'm gonna do all my different kind of Play-Dohs, actually. So this is brown, but I want it to be like a nice color. Is there any green here? Because if there's green, it's going to mix into brown, so I'm not gonna put this in. Nope, no green. Okay, I'm just gonna get another color. Just give me 1 more minute. Okay, so I found 3, let's say. 3 bottles of them. So I found this one. I found this glittery Play-Doh. And I found this purple Play-Doh. And I found there's a lot of colors here. Some red Play-Doh, green Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, and some blue Play-Doh. So yeah. Okay, so let's start with the purple Play-Doh. Purple! And also I have a napkin. That's surprising, right? That's not. Okay, so this purple one is very nice. Look at the color. Okay, I'm gonna put this. Play-Doh. Okay. Dump. That should work. I'm gonna put more. More. I love to get crappy. Okay, just 1 more drop. All right. Now I'm gonna do this glittery one. Oh, this is hard. Ah, I think it wasn't. Ow, my knuckle. Okay, it's very hard to get it out. I'm just gonna put this piece in. Maybe more if I can. Wait, let me see if it's too hard. It's not as hard. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in. I wonder which color it's gonna be. I think it's going to be either purple or green. Or maybe brown. Purple, green, or brown. I think it's gonna be maybe those 3 of them. I don't know. Oh, okay. No more because actually I'm gonna put 4, just like the purple one. Okay, so I have red over here, which I'm not gonna put because there's already red. So I'm gonna put blue. 1 blue. Just gonna put 2 blues. I'm not going to put a lot in. Just 2 of each kind of color. I'm just going to put a red. Just one red. A teeny red. Teeny bitty winny. Look how much I put in. This teeny. It's not going to mix well. Imagine I just put it that much. For this one, just that single piece. That's not gonna mix at all. That's just gonna be the same, maybe. It's hard to close. There. Okay. My favorite part. Time to mix. Okay, so first I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Ooh, it looks good for me. So, wiggle, wiggle. So, yeah, I'm so excited. Let's start mixing. Ooh, I wonder how it's gonna be like. Oh, oh. I think it's going to turn green actually. Green! Look at this. Oh! That's a big chunk of slime. I'm just trying to smash the Play-Dohs. It might... I think the glittery Play-Doh might not mix as well because it's hard. I'm just gonna try to smash it. Oh, come on. Mix. It's starting to look like a rainbow. Look at my hands. Okay. Oh, this yellow piece of Play-Doh, that looks like vomit. Just kidding. It looks like orange. I could say orange. Oh, this Play-Doh one is good. Ooh. I'm trying to smash all the Play-Doh. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. I just have to mix it even more. Ooh, the Play-Doh. Come on, Play-Doh. Go, 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 go. Smash. You smash Play-Doh. Well, it's starting to get heated more better. Okay, I'm just gonna smash them. I just have to smash the green ones and then I'm done. Okay? Well, I'm not really done, but it's looking good. Look at my hands. So this is how it looks like now. Okay. I'm just gonna wipe myself up. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoy my video. And if you do, subscribe and yeah. And give me a big thumbs up. Love you guys. Peace out. Bye.